Here is an example of what we are going to build in this course. As you see, we have a simple dashboard of keywords that are coming from the Google Search Console, and we are showing their impressions, clicks, and position. And we have a simple chatbot to be able to ask questions about the keywords and get some insights. For example, let's write analyze and see what is the insights of the LLM about our keywords. So as you see, the LLM responded and we got some information and analysis about our keywords. For example, it says we have top underperforming keywords and provide some action items for us to be able to improve the performance of all these keywords. So just in case if you see this dashboard is different with what we are going to build in this course, this is because what I'm showing you is a bigger platform, is a multi-tenant learning management system. And what we are going to build is only this portion of the multi-tenant learning management system I'm showing you.